We got a '07 Ford E350 with a 5.4 liter V8. Had an issue with the turn signals not working. When you would flip the switch down or up, turn signals would just stay on solid. Same thing when you hit the flashers or the hazards, down or up, on or off, they would just stay on solid. So kind of felt like it was a relay issue, but the problem was, looking through the manual, didn't see anything about, couldn't find the relay in this doohickey. So I had somebody pushing the flasher, and I could hear it clicking here in this set of relays, but couldn't come up with nothing there. So I found out those were the trailer turn signal relays, so evidently they're connected. But anyway, so I just decided to trace the wire. So there's 3 screws under here to separate the halves of the steering column so that I could get to the wires in behind the flasher. So once I got in there and unhooked the connector that goes to the flasher, I basically put in my back probe kit, plugged in back probes into the flasher wire. Then I hooked up my Flute Networks Pro 3000 toner set, whatever. So I connected the toner or tone generator to my back probes going to my flasher wires. And this is not really designed for this, but it works for it. So anyway, this thing, it's got a probe, and this shoots the signal through the wire. And it doesn't generally work good for live wires if you got voltage supplied to the wire. But if you have wires that have no voltage on them, it seems to work okay for them. But anyway, so I had all that hooked up and started. And the way this works is you just hold the button down, closer you get to the, so you can see that it gets louder the closer you get to the wire. So basically hooked all that up and then started tracing my wires, and came down here and was getting pretty positive that the wires were tracing to this relay. So anyway, when picked up one of these, it's an LL552 from AutoZone. The one that came out was a 552 Wagner, a little bit smaller, but anyway, the one from AutoZone's a LL, supposedly for long life. But put that in, and what do we have? We have flashers and signals as well. That's a Diag.